So, with another update on the electrical issues with this sharpener, what I did was I checked all the fuses. So there's a fuse in here. It worked out okay. The one in behind here is fine, and the one down there. All three of them checked out okay. I put all three of them back in, and lo and behold, that turned on. Don't know why, but it did. So I'm going to try and start this up now and see. I'm going to turn that on first. So motor lights up. And pump is working. And now the advancer doesn't work. So, wow. So yeah, so it's the advancer now that doesn't work. I'm going to shut this off. It's interesting. I turned these three off. That light went out. And now, okay, so it's on again. Yeah. So yeah, the advancer's not working. See? I'm just going to try everything again. I'm just going to hit that, reset it, on. Just look at that. Now it doesn't work. Isn't that something? So, what could it be? I'm going to take the three fuses out again and do just like I did, and then I'm going to start this back up. Pause for a second. Okay, we're back to try this again. I just went and checked all the three fuses again, and they all are checking out. The continuity checks out on them. So let's try again. On. Power to the motor, power to the pump, all that works. As soon as the advancer initiated, it tripped everything here. I don't know what the issue is, but I'm just citing examples. See, that won't come on again now. Unless I haul out the three fuses. Let's just try. I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to unplug it. Take this fuse out. That's going to do a continuity test. I don't know if I can do this with holding the camera. Turn it on. So that one works. Take this off again. It's a bugger to get out sometimes. Take this one. Try this one again. Hard to do and hold the phone at the same time. Yep, that one works. Put that one back. Back on. And pull this one out. This 5 amp fuse. Same deal. So that one works. So put that one back in, like so. It's in there good and tight. So I'm going to close this up again and plug it in. Sorry for the finger there. Alright, so let's try this again, third time. Power on. Nope, power doesn't come on. So, power, maybe? Nope. Yep, I don't know what the problem is. Okay, so I managed to get them both lit up again. And just out of fluke, I guess, I pressed them both at the same time. And they both lit up. So, power to the wheel, power to the pump. And I know for a fact, as soon as I turn this, it's going to stop. And there you go, once again. So I just pressed it back on. And this time I'm going to leave these two off, and I'm just going to turn this on. Something's humming. It clicked, and then it just shut off here. Yeah, it's just a fluke. It's random as to when it'll come back on again. But that time it was the longest it hummed. And I don't know if the humming was from here. It sounded like it was coming from up in here. But no, gone again. I won't come on. Yeah. I don't know if there's like a timer maybe for it to restart. Anyway, that's what I'm dealing with.